Hi, today we're looking at an algebraic expression here. You can see that it's got fractions. So the solution to these is in many ways similar to any other algebraic manipulation that we do. But what I'm going to do here is probably accelerate a little bit. So if you look at the left-hand side of the equation, you've got a 2 on the bottom and a 3 on the bottom. And it's similar to the way we do the lowest common multiples. So I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 6. So here's the first step. It'll appear as though I'm multiplying diagonally like this. So when I multiply by 6, I get 3x, the first term, plus 2 outside of 2x is the second term, and it's equal to 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So if I expand that, I've got 3x plus 4x equals 7x on the left-hand side is equal to 42. And divide by 7, well, you get x is equal to 6. So the second part of the question then is to check that your answer is correct and prove it by substitution. So we take the x equals 6 and we go back to the original equation. And if I substitute, I get 6 on 2 plus 2 lots of 6 is 12 on 3 is equal to, and what is it? The first term is 3, the second term is 4, so it's equal to 7. So that's the proof then that your answer is correct. If your substitution at the bottom gives you this answer, which is 7, that's the same as the answer we started with, then we've proved that our algebraic solution x equals 6 is correct for this case. Okay, let me scroll down, I'll show you another example. Slightly more complicated, but it'll be exactly the same solution, method of solving it. So I'm going to multiply 5 by 4 on the bottom, it tells me 20, so I'm going to multiply everything in here by 20. The first term will become 4 outside of 2x. The second term, still negative, is 5x. And on the right-hand side, remember I multiplied everything by 20, so 3 times 20 is 60. Now let me expand these terms a little bit. So we've got 8x minus 5x equals 60. So 3x, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3x is equal to 60, and we can just divide by 3 and we get x equals 20. So that's the first part, x equals 20. Let's go back and check whether our solution is correct. So we substitute back into the original equation. When I say x is equal to 20, I get 2 outside of 20 divided by 5 minus 20 over 4 equals, the first term is 40 on 5, which is equal to 8. The second term is 20 on 4, which is 5. So the answer is 3. So that's a successful proof then that when we substituted x equals 20, we get the solution here of 3, and it's the same as the question at the